Well, for years, locals of Tashar village in Ukhrul district, Manipur, are reeling under the pathetic road conditions leading to various hardships. Now, since the authorities failed to take up the work, the locals from the Tashar were compelled to take up this work in order to repair as well as construct the dilapidated road condition that has been lying over the years. This is being done through a crowdfunding, and as per the locals, a lot of well-wishers have been come forward in terms of giving financial assistance, in terms of giving labors as well.
Kudong chadaba haldi ekhoi lampi sini lampi se tihi kuntramuk imwangda ki ekhoi na hotnarga ekhoi na maintain toribi kilodagi thogiba insang nabi kya amapanda pusi hairabsu lambi phatabagi awaba yamlei gari gi charging lambi phatabagi charging se taba challi.
So this is the condition that has been, facing by these villages, despite this village situated along the National Highway 202, which is along the Imphal-Ukhrul road. And not only this village, the people are facing regarding the road problem, but a lot of people, living in the hill district, especially in the remote areas, are facing when it comes to road connectivity. This is leading to a lot of medical emergencies as well. So this is the hardship that are being faced by the people living in the remote areas. This is Sally Kapai. I'm here reporting for East Mojo from Manipur.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.